Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Ash Says So. So in this vlog guys, let's try out something different. So I'm planning to move out of Panjim city and cross the river. We are planning to go on an island. So अगर आपको पता होगा, the name of the island is Shorao and definitely वहाँ जाएंगे. We'll check out the nature. Amazing कैसे monsoon में Goa is like beautiful on the interiors. And definitely we are going to also try out some food on our way back home, so keep watching this video. I don't think I'll have to say much in this vlog because it's all about you guys enjoying Goa and its nature along with me. So ferry आ चुकी है and जैसे आप देख रहे हो, we can go by car, आप bike लेके जा सकते हो and you can even just simply walk inside the ferry and cross the river. The ferry service is spot on, very well executed by the government of Goa. काफ़ी सारे ferries है and it is made lives easier for the people who are staying on the other side on the island. Frequency बहुत excellent है and there are ferries in the midnight as well, like late night तक आप ये ferry service use कर सकते हो, which is the best part. Keep following me and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss my videos. So we are already there. I can see the ferry point, and from there on we are going to start our journey and explore Shorao Island. That's the effect of monsoon here in Goa guys. Beautiful greenery all around and open blue sky. So we are already exploring the interiors of Shorao Island. बहुत ही beautiful place है. आपने देखा होगा रास्ते में you must have seen temples, churches, old Goan Portuguese style houses. बहुत ही exciting place है. Roads थोड़े से छोटे हैं but you have to drive safely and you're going to have fun throughout this journey. So guys, कुछ locals मिले यहाँ पे. So one of them was selling fish. So I had asked him the name of this fish also. Now I am not able to recall it. But if you guys know the name of this fish, then do comment and let me know. So we took a left turn and continued our journey, and that straight road which I just showed is going to Bichole Mayen. So if you have heard of Mayen Lake, so अगर आपको वहाँ जाना है, then you can take that road and go in that direction. So here we are. This is the place I was talking about. It's nice and green all around. Beautiful open sky. I can see the river, mountains, a narrow road. Perfect scenic view here in Goa. So we got lucky guys, पाव वाला मिल गया है रास्ते में and let's see what he has. So he has a variety of local breads out here. He has pav, normal pav, then he has katre pav, he has pori, then he has kakan. Kakan is nothing but bangle shaped toast, and then sweet bun, sweet pav bhi hai. One thing we have to remember is not to litter around, not to dirty the place. Wherever we are going, we have to make sure that we keep the place clean and tidy. So we spent good amount of time there in that open beautiful place. बहुत ही peaceful था and बहुत clean and fresh हमें लगा वहाँ पर जाके. So it started raining on our way back, and as you can see, the paddy fields, they look amazing. We reached back to the ferry point, and as you can see, there are small general stores, tea stalls, and we saw this cafe Sushant. So we just thought of having some tea and trying some local food out there. कैसी लगी?
Very nice. It's like the meat in
Kalwa Tonam style. So what you see right in front of you is the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, and जो कि वो green house आप देख रहे हो, that is the place where you can get your tickets. And बहुत ही beautiful place है. It starts around at 6 AM and it's there until 6 PM. So it's time to head back to Ribandar, and on my way back I'm going to stop by at a restaurant. So keep watching this video and stay with me. Now we are on the way heading back to Ribandar. We were lucky enough कि ज़्यादा बारिश नहीं हुई and light showers थे here and there, so we could enjoy. So this was not planned for. We saw a couple busy selling buttas, and guys, range plus butta is like match made in heaven. So we went for that as well. तो आंटी ने उसको लाइक मस्त सॉल्ट, चिली पाउडर, लाइम के साथ भुट्टे को मसाज किया, एंड स्वीट कॉर्न एंड स्पाइसी फ्लेवरिंग ऑन द टॉप was just amazing. So within no time it started pouring and the sun was also setting down. It was getting dark, and this is the eat out I was talking about, Bombay Bites. So just imagine this short trip, coming out on a weekend, crossing the river in a ferry and exploring the island, trying out the butta and now I am here at this cafe and I'm going to try out their street food. So this is like a small eat out, or you can even call it a cafe serving street food, and shawarmas are their speciality. They serve very delicious and juicy shawarmas, और बहुत सारे variations भी आपको मिलेंगे जो आप यहाँ आके try कर सकते हैं. So the mayo which they prepare here is very tasty, and you can see the amount of chicken that goes into one shawarma, so which makes the shawarma very chunky, juicy and flavorful. It's amazing. You have to come to Bombay Bites and try this out. So today I've ordered for the Arabic grilled shawarma. So as you can see, my shawarma is ready and it's ready to go inside the griller. This place is also known for burgers and momos. So from that I will go for momos, क्योंकि मैं already stuffed too. I had patal bhaji, I already had samosa, I had sweet corn. So I'm totally stuffed, but this is what I'm going to try here today. Just look at this guys, hot steaming momos. 6 momos दिए हैं, and we will have spicy Szechuan chutney along with that. Looks amazing and yummylicious. जी लो अपनी जिंदगी. टेस्टी, डिलीशियस, बहुत बढ़िया है. Guys, I have ordered for Arabic shawarma, but this is grilled. So इसका cost है 90 rupees. You can check it out. So I'm going to try it with mayo. ये garlic mayo है. So this shawarma is really very tasty. बहुत ही juicy है. There is a lot of chicken which is stuffed inside along with that garlic mayo. It's a perfect combination, and this is I have grilled this shawarma, and that is why it is nice and crispy on the outside. So अगर आपको थोड़ा सा crunch, crispiness पसंद है shawarma में, so you can have the grilled chicken shawarma over here, and definitely you will love it. So we had a wonderful evening out here guys. बहुत मज़ा आया हमें, and as you saw we crossed the river, we explored Shorao Island, and it's time to head back home. See you guys in the next vlog. Keep watching my videos.